Thought I'd talk a little bit about how I fix a flopper. By George, I think I got it fixed. What you do is, oh, by the way, a flopper is a shoe that the sole is come undone on and flopping up and down. Fairly good shoe, not bad shape at all, but it come unglued. I found some Gorilla Glue under the cupboard. It had been under there so long it was dried in the lid, but the center part was gooey and creamy, so I dug some out and it was thick, like, well, thicker than cold butter, but I smeared it on there. The instructions for Gorilla Glue says Gorilla Glue works with moisture. Wet one side with a damp cloth and put the glue on the other side and jam them together. And that's what I did. And it looks like I got Gorilla Glue oozing out the edge, so whether it was good glue or not, it's definitely doing something in there. Said dries in 3 hours. We're going to leave it in there all night. Hopefully I haven't permanently destroyed the shape of my toe in that shoe. My wife went right out and bought me some new shoes a couple days after that. I haven't wore them yet. New boots, I mean. But if I can get some more miles out of these, sure going to give it a whirl. The other one didn't come unglued, so I can't super glue it. Probably should have done them both. We'll see what happens. Anyway, that's how I fix a flopper. Have you fixed your floppers today? It's time, my friends. Time for a flopper check. As one of my friends so aptly put it, I had a case of flopperitis. Shoe got to flopping up and down. I don't know if the vise crushed the shoe or not. Oh, that's standing back up pretty good. Time I get it wet a few times, you won't never know it's been in the vise. All right, did the glue hole. Might be walking stiff as ever. Let's put it on my big foot and see what it feels like. Well, it ain't flopping no more. Let's put the shoestring back in there and wear it a few days. See how she does. Yeah, that Gorilla Glue oozing all out the edges here. I mess around and hurt myself. Better leave that Gorilla Glue alone. That ain't hurt nothing. Anyway, one case of flopperitis. First stage applied. Now watch this one start flopping. Time to go lace up my boots. How did I manage to get glue all over the shoestring? If you got any flopperitis problems, Gorilla Glue might be the way to go.